everyone and welcome back to Post Network Academy. I am Bindeshwar and today we are going to explore one of the most important distributions in statistics and data science, the Poisson distribution, and more specifically how to fit a Poisson distribution to real world data. So without further delay, let's get started. So to fit a Poisson distribution to the observed data, we find the theoretical or expected frequencies and corresponding to each value of the Poisson variate. Thereafter, using recurrence relation that makes finding probabilities easier, we find the probabilities and we first establish the recurrence relation for probabilities and then define the Poisson frequency distribution. So for a Poisson distribution with parameter lambda, we have e raised minus lambda, lambda raised x upon factorial x. That is the probability distribution. For a p x plus 1, we will have this expression e raised minus lambda, lambda x, lambda raised x plus 1 upon x plus 1 in factorial. Now just divide px plus 1 by px and we will have this expression lambda upon x plus 1. And you can see that there is a relation, recurrence relation between px plus 1 and px. So if we know px and the value of lambda, we can know px plus 1. Now this is the recurrence relation for probability of Poisson distribution. If we start with x is equal to 0, so we will put here x 0. So e raised minus lambda, lambda is 0 upon factorial 0 would be 1. So we will get e raised minus lambda. And we can compute p1, p2, p3, all these probabilities. So let us understand Poisson frequency distribution. So if an experiment satisfies the requirements of Poisson distribution and it is repeated n times, so what would be the expected frequency of getting x successes is given by, that would be n into p x, where x, small x is a event, so n times you will multiply. So if you substitute the formula, so you will get n into this probability distribution. So fx, that would be capital N into e raised minus lambda, lambda raised x upon factorial x, where x is from 0, 1, 2. Now let us see an example, that is defective bottles problem. So a manufacturer produces medicine bottles and 0.1% are defective, and bottles are packed in boxes of 500. A drug manufacturer buys 100 boxes. So what is the problem? Find how many boxes will contain at least 2 defective bottles. So let us understand probability. So probability of a bottle being defective, so that would be 0.1 upon 100, because it is given in 100 percentage. So if we divide it by 100, so we will get the probability. Now number of bottles, so the value of n is 500. So lambda we will get by multiplying n into p, where n is large and p is small. So we will get the value of lambda 0.5, and the number of boxes, that is a capital N. So here what will we do? Poisson probability is already given here, e raised minus lambda, lambda raised x upon factorial x. So here we will plug lambda is 0.5, e raised minus lambda, so e raised minus 0.5 and lambda raised x, so 0.5 raised x upon factorial x. Thereafter what we need? Px is greater than or equal to 2. So that would be 1 minus p x is less than 2, and thereafter we can also compute this one, x is equal to 2, so that would be x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So we will find out. So 1 minus, you can see that whole expression, e raised minus 0.5, that is the value of lambda, that is the value of lambda, 0 is the value of x and factorial 0. The same way, instead of 0 we will plug here 1, so that would be for x is equal to 1. And if we find out, so we will get 0.09025. So expected number of boxes with at least 2 defective items, that would be 9.025. Almost about 9 boxes will contain at least 2 defective bottles. Let us understand process of fitting a Poisson distribution. So for fitting a Poisson distribution to the observed data, you are proceed as described in the following steps. So what? First of all, you will find out the average or mean, and that would be lambda, because lambda is mean. And thereafter we will find out P0, and see that here we will need to find out P1, P2, P3, and we will use the recurrence relation, that is lambda upon x plus 1 into Px. Thereafter the probabilities obtained in proceeding 2 steps are then we will multiply it with n to get expected or theoretical frequencies. So this way we will calculate fx is equal to n into probability of x, where x is maybe 0, 1, 2 or 3. Now example, there is data given, number of accidents and frequencies. One accident 422 times, 2 accident 71 times, 3 accident 13 times, 5 accident 1 time, and this is aircraft accidents. So let us fit it. So first of all we will find out the frequencies, so we will add all the frequencies. So we will have 2480, and thereafter f into x, frequency and observations. So we will have 620. So we will you will divide here summation fx by total number of frequencies, so that would be mean, and that would be equal to 0.25. Now the Poisson probability mass function, that is given as e raised minus lambda lambda raised x upon factorial x. So P0 we will get after plugging the value of x as 0, and that would be e raised minus 0.25, because lambda's value was 0.25. So that is for a P0. Now we will calculate probabilities using the recurrence. So P1 we will get multiplying P0 into 0.25 upon 0 plus 1, because you are using this formula. So Px, that means 0, so we will get P1. The same way we will get P2, P3, P4, P5 and P6. Not P6, P5 till P5. Thereafter what will we do? We will multiply capital N by these probabilities. So the total N was 2480. And now F0, F1, F2, F3, F4 and F5. We will have these frequencies. These are theoretical frequencies. Now let us see another example. Not another example, summary table this is. So here observed accident, number of accident, observed frequencies and expected frequencies. So almost similar or equal, you can see that this one, not this one. See that the frequencies. We have got this theoretical frequency after fitting the data. Now a factory, this is the another problem. So a factory produces fountain pens with a small chance of being defective, and probability of a defective pen, that is 1 upon 500. As I will recall you that in Poisson distribution, number of n is very large and p is very small. Always remember. And packet size n, the pens are supplied in a packet of 10, and total consignment n, capital N, that is a total consignment, and this contains 20,000 packets. So what is the goal? Calculate the approximate number of packets containing one defective pen. X is equal to 1, 2 defective pens. X is equal to 2. Now this problem involves a large number of trials. N is equal to 10, but a very small probability of success. This suggests using the Poisson approximate, that I told you. If small probability and number of trials are large, so we will use Poisson distribution instead of binomial distribution. So the mean number of defective pens per packet is calculated, that is lambda is equal to NP, and we will calculate this one. So 10 is n is 10 and p is 1 upon 500, so 10 upon 500, that is lambda is equal to 0.02, and the probability of exactly x defective pens in a packet, that is given by the Poisson. PMF means probability mass function. Now the theoretical frequency for a consignment of 20,000 packets is, you will find, as I explained in the previous, n into x, that is the value of x, you will plug. So here for a, you can say that x is equal to, if you take any value, so first of all you will get, if x is equal to 0 here, so that is 0, that is 0, so that will become 1 1. So this value you will require, so that is 0.9802. so for x is equal to 1, this we have already calculated, and here the lambda, the probability for x is equal to 1, the value of x 1, and that is 1, so that would be 0.02 into, that is the value of e raised here minus 0.02. so that is for p x is equal to 1, and expected frequency you will multiply it by n, so we will get 392.08. so the approximate number of packets is 392. Calculate packets with 2 defectives. So the same process we will follow, and instead of x is equal to 1 we will plug here 2, and this would be the same. So the same process we will follow, and we will get 3.9208, and that is equivalent to 4. So the approximate number of packets that are defective is 4. So the summary of results, we can say that lambda was 0.02, n was 20,000, one defective pane x is equal to 1. We see that 3.92.02, and for that is approximately 392, and for 2 defective panes there are 4. That means there are 4 number of defective panes. Now let us see another one, data on mistake per page. So a typist committed the following mistakes per page in typing 100 pages. The goal is to fit a Poisson distribution and calculate the theoretical frequencies. So here we will find out n, that is summation of all frequencies, so that is 100, and you will multiply f by x, so you will get again here 100. So lambda would be 1. Now the Poisson probability mass function, that is e raised minus lambda into lambda raised x upon factorial x. So p0, that would be e raised minus 1 into 1 raised 0 upon factorial 0, that would be e raised minus 1, and that would be equal to 0.367879, and p0 would be 0.3679. And Poisson recurrence relation, we know that px into lambda upon x plus 1, and if we apply the relation for lambda is equal to 1, so we will have 0.3679. p2, that is 0.3679 into 0.5. The same way p3 0.0613. The same way p4 and p5. Now theoretical frequency you will multiply by n. Thereafter you will get theoretical frequency. So 100, we have 100 capital N. So we will multiply it by px. So this is the first one 37, second again 37, thereafter f2, that is 18, f3 6, f4 2, f5 0. Now you can see that observed frequency is 42, theoretical 37, 33, 37, the same way, very little difference. Now Hope you understood, and for more resources you can visit www.postnetwork.co. YouTube channel you can visit, Facebook page, LinkedIn page, and GitHub repository. So hope you understood, and you will subscribe my YouTube channel. You will visit website www.postnetwork.co, and you will also visit other like LinkedIn page, Facebook page, and GitHub repositories. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video.